Your credit score is a three-digit number that has a huge impact on the quality of your life. It also impacts your bank account in a big way. In this video, we're going to be talking about two platforms that can help you build your credit score if you've got a low to poor credit score. And if you've got no credit at all, we'll talk about how these two platforms can help you build your credit fast. So think about this. The place you live, the car you drive, the rates you pay on your auto insurance, down to the job you have, these are all influenced by your credit score. The better credit score you have, the more money you have in your bank account. The lower your credit score, the lesser the money you have in your bank account. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will fully understand how you can utilize these two platforms independently to build your credit score or even boost your credit score. So be sure to watch till the very end of this video because I've got some really insightful and helpful tips that will help you do it safely, easily, and fast. So let's dive into it. The very first one that I'm going to share here with you is Experian Boost. If you haven't heard about this before, Experian is one of the three major credit reporting bureaus. So Experian Boost is a credit monitoring platform that basically helps you build your credit instantly. As you can see on the screen, this is a way for you to build your credit using bills that you pay on a monthly basis, like your cell phone bills, your utilities, and also your insurance. So if you've got insurance bills, your Experian Boost can help you build your credit as you report these bills using this platform. So right here you can see the Experian Boost basically boasts about helping you improve your credit score fast. Now it also helps you build your credit score by watching your credit history as you make these payments. We'll talk about exactly how this works. So how does it work? The very first thing you want to know here is that you have to add a bank account that you use to pay your bills on a monthly basis. So this bank account gets linked to the Experian Boost platform once you sign up. And the next step here would be to select the bills that you want to use. Remember, not all bills are very critical in this instance. So you want to select the bills that you know that you already can pay on time, or the bills that you already have a history of paying on time. You maybe start with the smaller bills first, right? So once they detect the bills with on-time payments, they will add this to your Experian credit file. And they do select the bills with the best credit, with the best payment history, right? And these are the bills that they use to build your credit file over time for those of you with no credit or those of you with poor credit. Now, the last step here they said is that you see your credit score rise instantly. So it's a very fast and easy way to show you how this works, right? This is not rocket science. This is something that anyone can do. Anyone out there who has bills to pay can instantly boost their credit score if they're in a bad spot right now. And let's talk about the details, some of the Q&As that you really have to understand, right? So when it comes to some questions that you may have, Experian Boost already did a good job answering this. Now it talks about how does Experian Boost work? We've talked about it, but just to go into some more details, some specific item that I want to point out here is that it says we'll look through 2 years of payment history for any qualifying bills and have at least 3 payments in the last 6 months. So 3 payments in the last 6 months, and they'll include 1 payment within the last 3 months. So you have to make sure you are using the bills that you have a history of on-time payment, or the bills that you are able to pay on time. You got to pay all your bills on time if you're looking to build your credit anyways, or boost your credit score. Now, the next thing you may be wondering here is, how is Experian Boost different? So according to Experian Boost platform, unlike many other credit repair companies, Experian Boost is completely free. Remember, the keyword is free.com, right? This is free to you, and it can increase your credit scores fast. So since Experian is one of the 3 major credit reporting bureaus, this gives you an advantage if you use this platform because they report directly to your credit file. So there's no third party involved in this reporting. And it also, according to this their website. It helps you fix your credit inaccuracies, right? Which basically you can do for yourself. You don't have to pay anyone to do this for you. You can do it right in the platform. And the other question that you may have is, how secure is this platform? According to this report, they use a really secure encryption. That's the SSL encryption, which is equivalent to what the banks use, what your bank may be using or your bank uses. So this means that your information is pretty safe in their hands, according to this platform. So you don't have any issues when it comes to the security of your information. But remember, data breaches happen all the time. Banks and financial institutions are targets of many hackers. So you got to pay attention to that too while signing up for these platforms. The other thing here that's very critical if you're looking to use this platform is what bills qualify. Not all bills qualify for the Experian Boost. So what types of bills can you report using the Experian Boost platform? So according to the Experian Boost, the mobile and land phone bills qualify. Rent payments qualify, but that comes with a caveat. We're going to talk about rent payments. Just hang on. Utility, including your gas, electric, and waste management, also qualify. Your telecom bills, including your satellite bills. So if you do have one of those, Starlink or any satellite service, that also qualifies. In your cable TV. Your insurance, that's a big one, that also qualifies. So any insurance that you pay on a monthly basis qualifies for the Experian Boost bill. And your internet service, so that also qualifies. Video streaming services like your Netflix, your Hulu, those all qualify as bills that can help you build your credit or boost your credit fast while using the Experian Boost. So what types of insurance qualify? I touched up on this already. The only insurance that qualifies are what you pay monthly. So any insurance that isn't paid monthly does not qualify. Sorry. But if you have any insurance that you pay monthly, that should be a bill that you can directly report to Experian Boost and can help you qualify to build your credit fast. What types of rent payment qualifies? So when we say rent, there is a caveat to the rent payments. So online rent payments are the ones that qualify, but these are online rent payments made to specific properties. It's not just every property that qualifies here. These are online rent payments made to specific property management companies, and also specific platforms that are eligible for the Experian Boost program. So any payments made through check, through Zelle, through money order, or through personal means in person, these are likely not going to qualify. If you made it through PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle, these are not eligible for the Experian Boost program or platform. Now, if you do have a mortgage, your rent payment is disqualified. So this is for people who do not have a mortgage. In order for you to qualify for rent payments, you don't have to have a mortgage. So go figure. I hope that makes sense. Now the next up here is what, if you can use your video streaming services. We've talked about it. Things like Hulu, HBO, Netflix, Disney Plus. These are all eligible under the Experian Boost program. And what else are you thinking about right now? So you're thinking, if your bank account or credit card isn't listed, is that a problem? According to the website, if your bank account or your credit card isn't listed, you can search for it. And if it doesn't appear in the results, select can't find your bank, and then you can follow the instructions to enroll your bank account or add your credit card. So again, so many questions, so many things that we can go through on the Experian Boost and how exactly this can help you. But I'm going to leave the link to the Experian Boost in the description section below, just to help you get to it faster. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Now we're going to talk about the second one. The second one that I found really helpful here would be the Grow Credit, right? Grow Credit. This is one that's really simplified. So the way this one works, this Grow Credit platform, simply put, is a free, no interest, secure MasterCard. They do have paid, services, but the free portion is what I'm really capitalizing on right now. So I'm focusing on the free portion of this. So this platform works based off of your subscription payments. So if you've got some subscriptions, monthly subscriptions, you are a huge candidate for this. You are one of the ideal candidates for this. So if you've got your Netflix subscription, your Hulu subscription, your cell phone service subscription, this is a huge one for you. It's pretty simple, and it's just as simple as it sounds, right? You download the app, you sign up, and you go through the process. So this is going to help you, according to their website, build your credit, because remember, paying your credit on time makes up for 35% of your overall credit score. So your payment history matters. How early you pay your payment is something that's going to play a huge role. So how does it work? Let's go through the quick process of how this works. So the very first thing you want to do here is set up your Grow Credit account. You want to sign up. If you've got a low credit, no problem. You've got no credit, no problem. Just sign up, and they will send you the secured MasterCard account, debit credit card that you use to make your payments. And once that's done, you add your subscriptions. So you have to go into your account and you choose from a list of subscriptions. They've got a bunch of them here, from Hulu to Amazon to ESPN Plus, Disney Plus, Spotify, YouTube, you name them. They're all on here, right? And once you add in the subscription that you want to have the payments reported, the next thing you want to do is use your Grow Credit MasterCard on the subscriptions. So you use that MasterCard to make the payments. And that's really it. So sit back and watch your credit grow. Now, one thing that I want to point out here, like I mentioned, is they do have different membership tiers. And the one that I'm talking about here is the free membership. With the free membership, you get a reporting to all 3 major credit bureaus. And you also have access to your FICO score. And you get automatic payments. So no need for you to send in checks. You get automatic payments. And you also have a bonus free financial literacy education. This is huge. So really quick and easy. They've got some paid versions, but we're not going to dwell on those. If you want to use the paid options, that's up to you. But I believe the free options between Grow Credit and Experience Boost will really help you make a huge progress on your credit score, or boost your credit score if you're in a period of low credit, or if you've got no credit right now. This would be a huge plus to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you've really enjoyed this video, be sure to share this information with other people, because people really deserve to know the tips and tricks or helpful insights to help them build their credit. Remember, your credit score impacts your life in a huge way. Your day-to-day life is dependent on the credit you have. So go out there, build a good credit score, and conquer the world.